tree. I'm just sitting here.
Hi everybody, this is Vanessa. Welcome to my channel, Planning and Adulting with ADHD. Today is budget day. It's a solemn time, y'all. Yes, it's a solemn moment. Let me bow my head in silence. Okay. All right. This is budgeting when you're broke. If you guys have saw my previous budget, you know that things are kind of like off kilter. Well, they were off kilter, and we was kind of gonna get up back on kilter. And then the truck broke from after being fixed. After 3 weeks of being repaired, 4 days in, it broke down. And it broke down in Ohio. Yes, Ohio. Yes, I'm in Louisiana, South Louisiana. So, needless to say, I had to go pick up the hubs. And the truck is still there, still broken. And we're trying to get we're trying to get it fixed. And seeing how, it going down was not our fault. Well, y'all know how it goes. Anyway, we incurred some unbudgeted expenses, and we weren't able to catch up and pay on some of the bills that we already had. So let's just take a little look-see, shall we? Okay. Now, there we go. This was my spending. I think I missed a few things I did here. Now I got that one. Let me see. On the 23rd, right here. Texaco. Alright, let me just get you guys focused close up. Alright, I'm just putting down, this is something that I missed as far as spending. Okay, now, the numbers that I have here was carried forward from last week. Alright, this is the amount that I owe. This is the amount I owe. This is what was paid, and that's what was left from last week. And so I carried the balance over to here. This is what I budgeted for. Oh, you can't see any of that. Sorry. These totals, this was from last week, okay? This is the amount that is owed. This is what was paid. And this is what's still owed. Okay? And for the second set, this is the amount that was budgeted for. This is what was used. And this is what's left. And this is unbudgeted expenses. And as you can see, we started incurring the expenses from the Ohio debacle. Okay? And now we're on end of this week. And here is what we have. Okay. Let's see. Alright, unbudgeted Ohio. Okay, unbudgeted in Ohio was $472.08, which gives us 62 plus 472.08, 706.70. If that is not a F, I don't know what is. Which, this could have been avoided. This could not have been. Okay, that's the difference in these two. this could have been avoided, and all we would have lost would be $200 and some change, as opposed to $477. So 200 of that could have been avoided. So let's see. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm going to start up here with the bills. Yes, see, that's what I get. Y'all dizzy yet? Who's drunk? Alright. Now, utilities, didn't pay not a one. Alright. This is dues and subscriptions. I don't want to do that. I want to do it in black. 65, 52. Insurance, 43, 51. Credit card, 200. Loans, none. Notes, nope. Bank fees, $12. All right. Let's see, groceries. Okay. 162.22. House supplies, $7.87. Nothing for the pet. Personal, $10.73. Auto, $13. CMT, that was the post office, $47.65. Now this budgeted amount is just that. It's an amount that we budgeted. Budgeting on the fact that the truck would be working. The truck is not working. And this, although I'm taking this out, this was some postage, some things that we had to mail off, and it is a business expense. So I am taking it out of there. Alright, so what else we got here? That's it, except for I have unbudgeted surprise, which was Amazon, which should have been under dues and subscriptions. And it was $119. And that's 119. Alright. Let's get our balances here. Alright. We still owe these utilities are my utilities. They will be paid by the end of the month. It's phone, light, and cable. And that's kind of high, I know. Dues and subscriptions, $88.90 minus $65.52. It's $23.38. Alrighty. $829.09 minus $43.51. $785.58. Oh, y'all hear Callie, she's not happy. That's $20. 3 $3.50. Oh, I'm starting to write like a mad person. Well, I'm not very happy, but I'm not mad in the sense of, you know, 12 and 55. Obviously, this is end of month. This is end of month. All of these are end of month. This will not, all of this will not be paid. It can't. So someone has to be called and we have to get some sort of deferment. Right now, the people that we have the truck note with is working with us as far as a deferment because of what happened in the situation, and insurance companies is involved and so on and so forth. But the other part of that note would be my house note, and that's going to get paid if none of this, if I have no lights. So, all right, next thing, and everybody's like, well, you know, you don't get, I would. We will be getting some income in. We have some more income coming in, so that will take care of those, what we can. And we'll see next week. Y'all will see next week. I'm going to end the month. Yeah, next Sunday. That'll be in the month. And we'll see from there. Alright? Now, let's go. What's next? Groceries. Oh, that's the red. Which I'm not. You know what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do with that? I'm going to zero this out. Nothing left. Okay? Now I'm going to put 100 plus 74.25. 174.25. I could have added that. That was so stupid. Minus 162.22 minus 787. $4.16. That's still $50. Personal, $65.53 minus, I think we're doing pretty, wait, yeah, $54.80. Alright, auto expense, $71.31 minus $13, $58.31. Normally, some of this Ohio is, I mean, most of it is gas, but counting all the times I had to fill up, most of my fill-ups were out of state. So some of this would have come out, normally would have come out this week for gas, but the gas was used to go to Ohio. Alright, and let's see. And CMT, 1,024.89 minus 47.65. That leaves 977.24. And it might as well be zero at this point. So, okay, so let me zoom out. Well, out in, or whichever way. There we go. Let me show you guys. And what do we have? And this is my sheet that I use to expenses. Yes, I have this stuff. This, everything is on my QuickBooks. I am a QuickBooks Pro Advisor. Yes, I am. But you know what? I have this paper, and I can look on my computer, and I can manipulate and massage as many different types of reports from real numbers, because these are all real numbers. I can do that with QuickBooks. Yes, I can. And I can look at it on the screen. But y'all, there's just something about writing this stuff down and going through this that it makes such a big difference. It makes a huge difference. And it does for me anyway. So anyway, that it is what it is. times is hard right now, and that, things happen. And we all don't come out smelling like roses, and, it's always not peachy keen. And look, it was good for a while. Now it's not so good. But we'll get through this. As long as there's a God up in heaven, I have no doubt that we'll get through this. And we are being proactive. We're not just sitting back and waiting for this one to do that and that one to do this. We are doing some things to help move this along. Move this along. So anyway, that's my budget for the week. If I missed anything, or if you got any questions, and guys, please, if comment. Let's have a conversation. Have it been times that you fall on hard times and it's like, why should I budget? I don't have anything to budget. I'm broke. But I'm looking at I'm looking at this and think, oh my God, look how much I still owe in the month about, it's about out. So it's like, woo, wake up call, okay? Look how much normally, guys, let me tell you about my groceries. I don't normally spend that much on groceries, but the husband home, and he eats 3 meals a day. I mean, little bit of stuff I eat here, next knick-knack here and there. I mean, I've shopped my pantry too. So, but because I shopped my pantry prior, for the time before when he was here for 3 weeks, well, I'm out of everything. And when you go to the store and you buy just, the staples, it can get a little pricey. So that's why that's up. That's why, $700 and some it took because of all the stuff, the hotel rooms, gas, just some of the other things that we had to do in order to, the truck had to be torn down, it had to be towed. There was quite a few other expenses that we incurred during this time that had nothing to do with the running of this household, nor our bills. And in the meantime, the truck's not working, nobody's working. So, but that's going to change pretty soon. And like I said, we are being proactive. And I know, and hey, if you guys have fallen on hard times, what are some of the ways that you have rose above, like cream floated, cream floats to the 12th. It's not going to be floats. Let me not go there. Anyway, let me stop rambling. I'm rambling. So until next week, as far as the budget, guys, I will see you. And in the meantime, be blessed and be a blessing. Bye.